Alrighty guys, so here we have it. Two organic, beautiful St. Louis cut spare ribs. Today the recipe is a comparison between two recipes that I usually make. That my family usually makes. My original recipe, which is my go-to, versus my uncle's recipe, which you will see here in a second. So the first thing we're doing is we're going to go ahead and we're going to take off that membrane in the back of each rib. One of them already had it off, so we don't have to worry about that one. So just insert your knife just like that and peel right off. So also a couple of things we're going to do here. We're going to take away some of that fat. That fat's just going to render off. It's not really going to add any flavor. It might even just burn up. So we're just going to go ahead and take it off. As well as we're going to square off one of the edges right here. There you go, perfect. We're going to put on some Dijon mustard as a binder for our rub. It doesn't really give any flavor. We just like to put it on there just to make sure that rub sticks. Today we're using one of my favorite rubs. It's the smoking butt rub. It consists of salt, pepper, garlic, paprika. There's a little bit of cayenne in there. There's a little bit of chipotle pepper in there. And of course some onion powder. Then we're going to do the same to the other rib. Just spread that Dijon mustard on. We're going to make it look really nice. Get a nice even coat. Just look at that right there. I like going a little heavy on the rubs when I'm doing ribs, just because I think it gives that amazing bark and that texture, especially when we pull these out of the butcher paper or the foil. In this case, we're using foil. We like to hit them again with some more, some more seasoning, some more sauce. We feel like that gives it an amazing bark. As well as, if you notice, I only did the bottom first, just because the top we put them in straight like that. We never flip these ribs. Just because I don't like the top when it gets burnt. It doesn't really do a difference in flavor. It's just for looks. So we're going to get these ready and get them off into the smoker. Smoking them at 225 for 4 hours. Alrighty guys, so we're going to make the sauce for my uncle's recipe, the recipe that we're challenging today. So we're going to add a little bit of butter. This is my little twist to it, a little bit of butter. He does a little different, but I feel like it's amazing anyway. We're going to add some organic crushed pineapple. You can use whichever pineapple you like. And some sweet chili sauce. Any is okay. We're using in this case the Panda Express one, which works amazing. You can find these at any grocery store. We got these at Publix. Awesome. We're going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Let it come to a little boil. We're going to stir it, stir it, stir it. Just look at that. And stir a little bit more. Once these come to a little boil, you're done. All you have to do is add them on top. So guys, we're going to pull them off right now. The first one we're going to do is my traditional recipe. We're going to go ahead and put on some honey, putting them bone side down. We're going to brush these with some Publix organic barbecue sauce, as well as some more seasoning on top of that. Just get a nice even coat. You don't have to go too heavy on these. Alright, and next we're gonna add some cube butter. Apart from just looking nice while you're doing it, it actually enhances the flavor of the ribs. I think butter is everything. I think it's never enough butter, to be honest. Like, it's never enough sauce, it's never enough butter. We're also gonna add some honey on top and a little bit of brown sugar. We're gonna put them in. At the end, you're gonna see it. It's amazing. This is all you need. That's my traditional go-to recipe. It's the one that I always use. Works just fine every single time. Alright, so this one we're gonna do the same, except this is the one of the sweet chili pineapple glaze. We're just pouring it on top, spreading it a little bit, getting it all in there. Man, I really hope they come out amazing. Alright, we're gonna wrap these up and put them back in for another 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, so they've been in there for about 45 to 50 minutes. We're gonna pull these out now. We're gonna glaze them and put them back in. So this is the original recipe. As you can see, it doesn't look that appealing at the moment. It is pretty soft, but just at the point that I like it. I don't like it to be, too like fall off the bone, that's amazing. But we're not looking for pork bugs out here. We're looking for great spare ribs. So this is the pineapple sweet chili. Also, it doesn't look that appealing, but trust me, if you can smell that at this moment, it smells really, really good. We're gonna go ahead and top it off a little bit more with some more pineapple. And lastly, a little bit of honey for the original glaze, not too crazy. And of course, that brown sugar I was talking about before, going on both. That is the finisher. That bark is gonna be amazing. That glaze is finger licking good. Just look at those ribs. Damn, they look good. So here to my right I have my friend Ryan, and here to my left I got my boy Mikey. We're gonna try these ribs today. Alright guys, so this is the video for today. We got pineapple chili glaze versus the original recipe that we always do. So we're gonna give these both a try to see which one we like best. They were both smoked for 4 hours. First unwrapped for 2, we wrapped them for another, and then we glazed them nice. Left them unwrapped and get that beautiful applewood spice. Now we're gonna give them a try. Go ahead, guys, got the original one. Mikey, get yours. Alright, let's go for it.
It's still delicious, though.
You like it?
Yeah, good.
Look guys, the smoke ring. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it on the camera? Try zooming in on there. That smoke ring is beautiful. The applewood does the job for pork, for chicken. Amazing. Just gotta finish these. What do you guys think about the glaze? The original one.
The glaze is amazing. What is this?
Perfect.
That's butter, honey, and brown sugar. A little bit of barbecue sauce in the beginning. A little bit. I mean, usually sometimes I make the barbecue sauce, but when I don't have, I go to Publix and get the organic one. It's pretty good. You guys should try it. These are organic ribs too, from Whole Foods. First time trying that. Pretty good. Has a nice flavor. You're going to have it there, huh?
I'm trying to help.
How's the texture? You like it? I don't want it to be too much off the bone, but I want it to be tender. Yeah. But not like for it to drop out. Perfect. You done there, Mike?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys go ahead. Let's grab the sweet chili pineapple.
First, with the honor.
Alright, let's see how this one came out. Alright guys, let's go in. Let's go in. Also, as you can see, beautiful smoke ring on it. You get it on there? You get the focus? Awesome. Let's try it. Super tender. Super tender. You see it? I didn't want it to be too fall off the bone. If not, all you can do is just give it a little more time on the wrap. I like a little bite to it. Not too much fall off the bone. But as you can see, it's super tender. How do you guys like that glaze? Pretty interesting, right?
No, good.
It's not that spicy. Do you guys feel spicy?
It's the right amount of everything.
Yeah.
It's sweet, it's smoky.
It's simple, bro. Can you believe it? Panda Express, little bottle of Panda Express sweet chili, crushed pineapples, little brown sugar, that's it. You don't need anything else.
You can't ask for more.
Yeah, after the video, I'm eating the whole thing. Man.
I'm surprised with how much I like the pineapple, because I'm not a pineapple guy.
Right? Yeah. I don't eat pineapple either.
It's delicious.
Awesome. Well, guys, there you have it. Well, which one do you like the best? Both.
I say this one. The pineapple?
Pineapple.
How about you, Mike?
I like the original.
You like the original best?
Mhm.
It's so hard for me because both are amazing. But man, I
It's
don't know,
hard.
these are my go-to ribs. I'm so used to those. But you can't go wrong with either or. You guys let me know. Try it. Like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know any videos you guys want to see on the channel. Until next time, take it easy.